adding notes, images, and explanations. Notebooks in Noteable aren't just for code. They're also for your ideas and your notes. To do this, we use something called Markdown. Don't worry, that's just a way of making your writing look nice. Let's try using Markdown together. Your first step is to make a heading. Firstly, click on a cell, change it from code to Markdown, and then type this. Next, press Shift and Enter. See how the text turns into a big title? Your next step is to make a list. Now, in a new cell, type Collect Materials, do the experiment, write down results. Each line with a dash makes a bullet point list. Run the cell, and it will become neat and tidy. Step 3 is to add a link. Let's make a link. Type this, and then run the cell, and you will see it becomes a blue clickable link. Our final step is to add a picture. To do this, type this text, run the cell, and a picture of a cat will appear from the internet. You can use your own image link as well.